Welcome back to another video, everybody. Today we're back, and today we are installing the intake intercooler on my LS Swap E46 M3. I'm at the gym right now. After the gym, I gotta go to AutoZone and get a harmonic balancer puller and then some tools off of my buddy that I lent him. But after I grab all of that, we'll get right to work on the install and the uninstall of some other parts, and I'll explain all of that. Up at the gym, guys. I'm gonna go grab those tools off my buddy, then AutoZone, then M3.
Okay, so we have a lot of stuff here. This entire install is gonna be sponsored by Milwaukee. Just kidding, I bought all that crap. So we have the intake manifold. We have the intercooler that's in there. That's gonna go right between the plenums there. I gotta make some O-rings out of this O-ring gasket rubber stuff that they provided, so I'm going to do that, but first we got to uninstall the hot side and the turbo, take off the front accessories, pull the timing cover off, install the new timing cover, and then we're going to wrap the exhaust manifolds and then put everything back on accordingly, just in reverse, and then we'll get started on the intake stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys pretty much after I complete each step, because this is a lot and I don't have a tripod anymore because mine broke. So alrighty, so I was able to pull the front accessories as well as the harmonic balancer off, but one of the tabs on my harmonic balancer broke, so we're gonna run to AutoZone really quickly and see if they have other ones. So it's effectively been 2 years since we've taken this cover off. Well, rather since we've put it on. But I'm going to clean up all of the little gasket filler that I had in there, and I'll install the new timing chain cover. Alrighty, so I have all of that gasket stuff off. I'm going to apply some new gasket maker. Then I'm going to apply the new Brian Tooley Racing timing chain cover gasket. And then I'm going to put the new timing chain cover on, and then we got to go to the store to get another harmonic balancer since that one's broken. So I'll show you guys the new timing chain cover in a sec. So we have the new timing chain cover on. As you can see, there's the bung for the oil drain on the turbo. I'm going to go to AutoZone really quickly and see if they have any LS harmonic balancers. Mine was kind of out the door anyway, so not too upset that it broke. I got a new harmonic balancer and the bolt associated with it. Got me some Starbucks because it's really hot outside. About to head home and get to installing that. Okay, so the plan is simple. Basically, we're going to take a piece of wood, we're going to put it across the harmonic balancer, then we're going to take the negotiator and knock on this piece of wood until the balancer goes in enough that I can put the crank pulley bolt inside and then send it. So I'm about to use some negotiator sauce on the inside of the crankshaft pulley just to give it a little something something. Don't do this, by the way. It's a bad idea. As you can see, it's coming along very nicely. The negotiator sauce worked wonders. By the way, for those of you who don't know my slang, WD-40 is negotiator sauce, and my hammer is the negotiator. I call it the negotiator because sometimes it solves problems, sometimes it creates problems. You never know. So I painted the timing chain cover. Right now I'm prepping all the intake intercooler stuff. I'm putting the O-rings into the places where the O-rings go on the lower portion of the intake. I created the O-rings for the intercooler as well for the lower portion of the intake to the intercooler. They're currently drying right now, and yeah, I'll show you guys what all of this looks like put together on the engine. Alrighty guys, so I have the intake manifold on. I'm about to put the turbo back on. As you can see, I've wrapped the headers. Might actually have to do the shut again tomorrow, but yeah, it's looking really nice. Looking really, really nice. So this is what she looks like with the new intake intercooler setup. I have the injectors installed. Those are 210-pound injectors by Bosch. The fuel rails, my only gripe is I think they're backwards. Not sure why that happened, but it is what it is. I wrapped the headers, at least where the collectors are. That's where it's set to wrap. We installed the turbo. Next, we'll route the cold side for the turbo. And to do that, what I'm going to end up doing is rotating the compressor side of the turbo towards me. So maybe 30 degrees counterclockwise. But yeah, it's looking menacing, guys. Absolutely menacing. I have a new timing chain cover down there, as well as the new crankshaft pulley. You can see that bung potentially, maybe. I don't know. This is everything I imagined. I do have hood clearance issues, so we're gonna have to cut out the center here. Not a problem. But if you look under the hood, it clears pretty much everything up into the throttle body area. So and it looks really mean when you're walking up to it. Seeing the hood budged up like that. Oh gosh, what have we gotten ourselves into? Oh yeah, for those of you who haven't seen it yet, I'm a YouTube certified mechanic. You better pay me my respect. I haven't decided if I want to cut the hood again in this video or in the next video, but what I actually might end up doing is I might cut this hood in the center just to get a general idea of what needs to be cut, and then get another carbon fiber hood and cut that one in the center as well. I already actually have that carbon fiber hood picked out. It's in my shopping cart, so yeah, this is going to be the guinea pig carbon fiber hood, unfortunately. Thank you guys for watching another video. If you are new viewers out there, please consider subscribing and check out more videos with the M3 in my playlist right here. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, I hope you have a good day or night wherever you may find yourselves. Peace.